Hi! In this video, I'll show you how to set up your email signature in Gmail. To get started, open your signature in MySignature and click Copy Main Signature. Now, head over to your Gmail inbox. Click the gear icon in the top right corner, select See All Settings, and scroll down until you reach the Signature section. Click Create New, type in Main Signature, and hit Create. Then, simply paste your signature right into the text box. Next, switch back to MySignature, go to the Reply or Forward tab and click Copy Reply or Forward Signature. Jump back into Gmail settings, click Create New once more, name it Reply Signature, hit Create and paste it into the field. Now, under Signature Defaults, select Main Signature for new emails and Reply Signature for replies and forwards. Scroll all the way down and click Save Changes. And you're all set. Click Compose to test it out. Your main signature will automatically load in your new email. Thanks for watching.